is communicative strategies.
Communicative strategies are devices for communicating information linked to particular concern, occurrence, circumstances, and audience. So here are the 7 types of communicative strategies.
Oh, Cedric! It's been a long time since I last saw you.
Yes! How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine.
In this scenario, Linil and Cedric shows that they haven't seen each other for a very long time. They have portrayed the communicative strategy, which is nomination, where Cedric started the conversation with a statement which was, "It's been a long time since I last saw you," and Linil replied by saying, "How are you?"
Okay, class, we will have a recitation. Please keep all your notes and settle down. Okay, again, define microscope.
The branch of biology that deals with the study of microscopy.
Okay, very good. Next, C. What is the most indispensable tool for a biologist?
A microscope?
Very good, C.
The teacher asked questions for them to answer that showed the communicative strategy, which is restriction. Because first, the teacher gave an instruction and then started the individual recitation about their lesson, limiting the students to speak only about science.
Zandy, do you know what is the time of the General Assembly?
Yes, I think it's tomorrow, 2 p.m. But I don't know where it will be held.
Ah, yes, it will be held at the multipurpose hall.
Are your parents going?
Yes, that's why I'm asking the details.
Oh, really? Can you introduce me to them?
Sure.
OMG, I'm excited to meet them.
As seen in the scenario, Andrei and Winona used the communicative strategy, turn-taking, wherein each of them waits for their turn to say something relevant to the topic, which is about General Assembly.
Hey dude, I was wondering, why did you study at
Because my parents want to.
Why did you study here? Why don't you study in other schools?
Because in our school back there, we were so late at some lessons, and I think it will be difficult for me in college. So what about you? Why did you choose engineering?
Because I really wanted to take computer. Because only in STEM you could take computer course.
In this scenario, Jairo and Seth are exchanging words and both of them focus on that specific topic. They are asking questions to each other to maintain their conversation going.
Oh my God, Zandy, Jan Mat is so hard. Have you answered all the questions?
Winona, that is so hard. I don't even know the answers and the solutions. Oh, by the way, Winona, have you finished the Earth Science project?
Yeah, my crystal is so big. You wanna look at it?
Yes.
Winona and Zandria were having a conversation about general mathematics. Then suddenly, Zandria changed the topic to their project in earth science, which we can see a new topic as the new beginning of their conversation. And Winona responds without any complaints.
Oh, what a great day.
What the are you doing, bro? That's your own fault, bro. Oh, Typhon, did you see what happened? You think you're going to pay for this?
What the are you talking about, bro? It's your own fault. You're sitting at the edge of the stairs. Bro, I'm sorry. It's okay. I broke the iPod. Just be careful next time.
No, I'll just pay for it. Sure.
Ken and Ivan had a problem about Ivan's iPad that was broken because of Ken's clumsiness. First, Ken claimed that it was Ivan's fault that started their misunderstanding. Then Ken apologized to Ivan to fix their problem and they solved it with an agreement.
You know math? I don't like math. It's so hard. But
You see, there you are. We have to hurry.
let's go. Oh,
Oh, Linil, I have to go. Sorry,
Yeah.
man. We have classes.
See you later.
Linil and Cedric were the first communicators, and their conversation ended when Ken appeared and called Cedric. That's the time Cedric ended his conversation with Linil.
Thank you for watching. If you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. I hope you learned about the 7 communicative strategies. Bye!